Have you ever tried roast leg of lamb? Celebrated annually, National Roast Leg of Lamb Day honors this globally loved, nutrient-rich delicacy. Let's delve into its history and significance. Lamb, a tender meat of younger sheep, has a rich history dating back to 6000 BC. Initially, sheep were reared solely for their meat, milk, and skins, until breed development began in Southwest Asia and Western Europe. With its nutritional benefits and low-fat characteristics, lamb consumption has increased over time. This history sets the stage for the tradition of roasting lamb. Roasting lamb, particularly the leg, is a tradition cherished by many. The preparation involves seasoning the meat with ingredients like butter, oregano, and rosemary sprigs, then grilling for about 2 hours. This traditional method of preparation enhances the taste and tenderness of the lamb, making it a favorite dish among many. National Roast Leg of Lamb Day is a celebration of this delicious and nutritious dish. It's a day to honor its rich history and tradition. So, on May 7th, why not give this tasty dish a try and join the celebration?